Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the glow look filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so I'm in trending section and this filter is also trending. Remember this image on the second row. Yeah, remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, and this is the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from the effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for glow look. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there to use this effect likewise. And suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and now in this page tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this glow look filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.